Alright, here we are in Loxahatchee. We got a John Deere 220D demonstration of operation. The machine looks pretty good. The conditions are good all around. Well kept, very low hours. Alright. They use this to dredge the canals, clean them out. The motor sounds really good. Alright. Well, it's fully functional. There's no records of any issues, so that's pretty good. The operator, this is not her piece of equipment that she operates on a daily basis, but she's doing us the favor of demonstrating what she's capable of doing with it. But it is fully functional. All right, that's cool. That's cool.